What's up, dorks? Doing another unboxing, unbagging from AliExpress and Temu this time. I was looking for a lot of knockoffs again, which pleases everybody. But some knockoff swims, but also just more light lures, like bait finesse type lures. Now it's getting warmer, but just jump into it. So this is I had Bait Finesse Empire up, but for some reason every time I try to click on an item, the web page errors out. Okay, there we go. Back up. Hopefully it won't go away. I was hoping to have it so I can do some weight comparisons. I got my little scale out because I had a lot of Jackall. Now this one, yeah, is a Jackall Mute Ball Minnow. The difference, so it's still got the little hollow body, but this has a single hook, which is cool because the area I want to use this in is no troubles. So that's pretty cool. And I'll put a price up like I did the other videos comparison, because on Bait Finesse it's $12.99, and I think I got this for like $2.99 on AliExpress. But it comes with an extra hollow body. But yeah, looking forward to using that one. I kind of actually just want to go out to my pond and throw it real quick, but water's still real murky. Next, now the thing I don't really like about AliExpress is that, unlike Temu for the most part, a lot of places will ship their thing by itself, and so you'll get a bunch of packages in the mail instead of one just big bag of stuff. This is e-fishing, little plastic. I don't know what this is a knockoff of. It just looked good. I like plastics, they seem to work a lot. This is inside S&T formula, explosive injection of scent and taste. I'm not going to taste it, salt and proof, but I'm going to smell it. Oh, that smells terrible. That is terrible. I'm assuming the other color is the same. Yep, just as bad. But yeah, little paddle tails. Put them on an underspin. Actually, I might try those out today, because underspins are like the only thing that's been working in my pond. Well, working for me really at all, because the water's been so murky. So track them. All right, next. All right. What's in this bag? Oh, it's a Mega Bass Dark Sleeper knockoff, and it's called Fish Jumping. 1 ounce. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. But yes, the same coloring. Fish Jumping. That's good. Like it. Mega Bass Dark Sleeper. Pretty sure that's Dark Sleeper. Next. Oh, another smaller Dark Sleeper. That one said 1 ounce. This is, doesn't say. No, they actually called Dark Sleeper. That's funny. So, a couple Mega Bass Dark Sleeper knockoffs. What is this? Oh, this, I don't know if this is a knockoff of anything, but it was like $2 or something. It's hardtail. bad paint job. Really? Let's get out of the package real quick. Or try to. Here. It's going to be a pain in the ass because there aren't any hook covers. So I just want to, there we go. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Oh, that hurt. I can't imagine, I don't know how this would swim. It might just twirl around. Eyes don't look bad. Paint job doesn't look bad. Flaking paint already. See? But I don't remember how much it was. But it was likely super cheap. Alright, next. Oh, what is this? Plastic of some sort. Not everything I got, I don't know if it's a knockoff. Just some things looked cool. So I thought these might be good for drop shotting. Okay, pretty elastic. That's it. Stinky, but not as stinky. Not focus. There we go. Neat. What is this? They put a WNK. WNK. Better for sport fishing. Premium soft bait. Please don't put together with PVC product. This is okay. Neato. Next. Okay, another one. This was just another, I think a smaller, a bit smaller, different color. Okay, what do we got here? This was also labeled Dark Sleeper. I don't, on the AliExpress website, I don't know what it's knocking off. If you know, let me know. I don't know all the baits. There's so many out there. Oh, looks pretty good though. Okay. Buried hook in the fin. Come on, focus. There you go. Not bad. Fix that, fix it. Fix yourself. There we go. Little underspin. Paddle tail. Oh, I kind of want to throw that one today, actually. It's not bad. I like it. I don't know what that was called. Now, these were the Kitech. Well, they were labeled Easy Shiner. They do look like Kitech's Easy Shiners. I believe it was $1.99, $2.99, something like this for this bag. Now, do they smell? They smell like plastic. They don't smell like the Kitech has the what was it, shrimp or squid stink on it. I'm pretty sure it's squid or shrimp. I don't know. It starts with an S. But let's see if Kitech has a little groove in the bill. Okay, it's got belly groove. Sorry, it's got belly groove. The top groove. It has a top groove. Come on, focus, focus. It has a top groove too for hiding the hook. Not bad. I mean, it does look like the Kitech Easy Shiner, just without the stink. Cheap, but you know, Kitech, not super expensive anyway, really. I think they're $7.99 for a pack. So, okay, now this. I'm pretty sure this was the Mega Bass Karashi knockoff. Unfortunately, I guess unfortunately for you guys, I didn't buy any of them. I mean, I could go grab Kitech Easy Shiners. I have them in the garage, but Unlike the last videos, I didn't buy the legitimate just to do a comparison because there's so many. It's got the rattle. Looks good. Small. Pretty sure this was the Karashi, if I'm remembering correctly. Is it the Karashi? That's what I'm thinking. I'm sorry, not a Karashi. Karashi. There we go. I just brought it up on the hookup tackle real quick. And it does. It looks like it. I mean, 3/16 ounce, 2.3 inch. Seems about right. But yeah, that's that. Next. All right. D1. Okay, so this, when I saw this, it made me think of Jackall drift fry. That actually got a little sticker on that one. That's cool. Let's say, have fun and enjoy fishing. Okay. Nice. So you do stink. Don't smell bad. So it's got that little plastic lip like the drift fry. I know they have another smaller version, and it's not called drift fry. It is called Elastomer, 3-inch. Well, yeah, is this 3? I don't know. I don't have a tape measure on me right now, but that's what it reminded me of anyway, because of a little plastic lip. Doesn't look bad. Kind of reminds me of the Elastomer as I'm looking at it, because the drift fry has the flat tail, and I'm looking at the Elastomer has just the whippy. Comes in a pack of 6, and you get a sticker. Not bad. But like I said, I don't remember what I paid for it. I will have it up on the screen though when I edit this. I was looking for small stuff. I got some small frog baits, and yeah, finesse frog. Let me know what these are knocking off. Maybe use Jackall. I did look. No, let's see, Jackall clone frog. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not seeing. That's all right. Let me know if you know. Correct me. Take a look at one of these bad boys. Doesn't stink. Smells like plastic. A little hook hider. Not bad. Pretty elasticy. Okay, yeah, so you can pull those out. I think this will be fun to toss. We'll see. Put that away. Next. Ah, the fuzzy dice. I got some fuzzy dice. Smell the plastic. Get one of these bad boys out. Sparkles coming off on my hand already. Yeah, picked up some fuzzy dice. Let's see if I catch something on them. Comes in a bag of 5. Winners never quit. Okay. Allbluefishing.com. Blux. All blue Fishing. Okay. National fishing product. Made in China. Obviously. What is this? No, little multi-segment swim bait. I don't know what it's supposed to be knocking off. I tried looking for a lot of these, but it's just pages and pages and pages. So, it started to go cross-eyed. But it was cheap and small. Because like I said, I was looking for more BFS-y, more ultralight-y type stuff to throw. What do we have here? Ooh. I hear a rattle. This is weirdly, look at it. Okay. Oh, come out of there. Okie dokie. Let me know what this might be knocking off. Or if it's just its own thing. It didn't come, I mean, it's just a piece of plastic they stuck it in. It was probably pretty cheap. Doesn't look terrible. Nice and shiny. Probably terrible hardware, which is kind of to be expected with all of this stuff. Terrible. Looks good. Got a rattle in it. I'll put it right next to the... All right, one more in here. What is this? Multi-section bait. Okay. Oh, is this? Now let me know. Poked me. Let me know about this one. I could not find anything on this little deal. But this looked interesting when I saw it. Little lip on it. That looks like the worst hooks ever. It's made out of aluminum, like an aluminum can. Multi-segment tail. Yeah. Don't remember what that's called, but it'll be on the screen. Let's see. Okay, that's it in that bag. Now this has more Temu stuff in it and AliExpress. It'll be separated by... Well, this was an accident, I believe. This is an actual Jackal product. I thought it was a knockoff, but it's the jelly sardine. So... That's one thing about AliExpress compared to Temu. You can find legitimate products. So they actually have a lot of Jackal products on there if you want to pay full price. But you might be able to find stuff on AliExpress if it's out of stock on other websites. Anyway, you can get legitimate products on AliExpress as well. Okay. Oh, and here we go. So, this is the Jackal Micro Tappy. I want to go outside and throw this immediately. These were a little underspin hook with a floppy tail or something. Same coloring that you could find, but these were, I remember, $3.50, $4, $4.50 a piece. I feel way more comfortable tossing this around and possibly likely losing this because I lose a lot of lures to structure and all kinds of stuff where I fish. But then tossing the $20 or original version of this, because I would be scared to toss a $20 lure where I fish anyway. But yeah, not bad. I'm gonna toss that. Like a bumblebee color, bumblebee tuna. I had it pulled up what I thought these were knocking off, but a little smell. It smells like, I can't really tell if that's plastic or not. A little bug bait. It starts with an H, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. But yeah. Toss this one around. Tiny little ball jig. I'll hide that one real quick. The last one. And then this Magic Bead Sun Mile premium fishing lure. This one looked cool. This was like solid metal too. Little Colorado blade. Yeah, it's weighty too. That's all metal. I couldn't find out if this is just its own thing. I looked and I looked and then I got tired of looking. I mean, I feel like a lot of you guys know more, like a lot more than I do when it comes to the different baits. So let me know if it's its own thing or not. But it looks like it'll be fun tossing. All right, what's this? No. Yeah, I try to find out. This is a brush tail. Big old glide bait. Take a look. Hardware's painted inside of it, of course. It's got some, that's cool. Texture. Brush tail. I mean, it looks good. Good looking eyes. Not bad, honestly. They're sharp. Another cheap bait. Cheap, but will it catch fish? It's got hooks. We'll see. And then, okay, so this micro pompadour. This isn't the color that I thought I was getting. You have to really pay attention to what you're clicking. But it was cheap. And they are actually in stock. I was able to find this on both Temu and AliExpress. This one I got from AliExpress though. That last bait was from Temu. Another looks like that. A little bit different. Equally as cheap. Hardtail. That one actually has hook covers though, so that's nice. Nope, another micro tappy. I believe these were both legitimate color schemes that you could get them at, or get them as. Not bad, not bad. I like them. I like that they're cheap. So this is what I thought was a Shad, the Spro. But it's just got a similar shape, and then brush tail. Brush tail doesn't look the greatest. It's almost like whatever foil they had was on the tail itself. Cheap, 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 cheap. It's got a rattle. Get off my fingers. Hooks are sharp. It would probably do the job. This is something the size that I would throw, that I could throw from the bank. I'll put this down. I accidentally ordered 2 of them, thinking I was getting 2 different colors. So again, pay attention. Where is it? It's probably in there. Yeah, see. Same color scheme. Pay attention. I thought I was clicked on a different one, but instead ordered 2 of the same. At 2 different price points, by the way, which is odd. It's a wedge tail. Heavy duty, really weighty. Not bad. And cheap. All right, coming towards the end. Just what is this? I don't know what this is. I don't remember this. Oh, I remember this. So this is the open up. The Klash 9 Division Rebel. Go. 2 to a package. Now, I'm not spending $130 to compare a bait that, I mean, I don't have a boat. And these are weighty, but they have the swappable tail. Swappable tail. Put the bill in there. I believe this pack of 2 was $10, maybe a little more. I can't remember. You get 2 different colors. 4 tails? No, you get 1, 2. Yeah, you get 4 tails and different lips that you could put in there. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 3 different lips per bait for like $10. I mean, that's not a bad deal. If this is the bait you're using and you're uncomfortable throwing $130 bait around, like I would be terrified to do, there you go. Find it on, I believe it was Temu. I got that on. And then, oh, these little guys. I don't know if these are knocking off anything, but I, like I said, was looking for the Nessie single hook, little baits to toss. It's a hard paddle tail, single hook. I'm gonna toss this in the currently river / creek that I like to fish. It has a bunch of little gillies, some trout. I caught a couple bass out of it, but it's closed right now until April 30th. So it's closed from the end of October to the end of April before it opens up again. You can only toss single hook. So that'll be fun. I like these. See how these do. Again, I don't know if they're knocking off anything. I didn't really look for those. I just saw it. It was cheap. So I grabbed it. Let's see what else. Oh, yeah. So another one, different color. And another multi-segment swimmer from Bassdash. Bassdash. Not bad. And that's it in the bag. And so I got one more. Oh, that fell over. One more. And this was sent in its own package. Davinci. I believe it's, what is it? Elements. Yep. 2 different tails. This, I believe, was $10. Maybe. I have to look it up again. You'll see the price. But yeah, this is, if it's the Davinci 240, which was it? The 240 is 9.4 inches. I don't know. What does it say? The Delta tail. Davinci 190. It actually says Davinci on it. That's funny. Okay. 260, 10 inch. Born to be proud by Teaser. Okay. Teaser. But yeah, so you can even find these expensive, I believe this is saltwater bait. It's freaking huge. But yeah, you can find that too on Temu. But that's it for this haul. I got one more small shipment coming. Might be the last one that I do for a while, just because I have so many baits to fish this year, and yeah, got a lot to get through. But if you like cheap baits, Temu, AliExpress, go check them out. We'll have links to everything, as much as I can anyway. Temu is easier to provide links for than AliExpress. They don't have a condensed link, so it's basically like half a page for a clickable link. But I'm gonna clean this up. I think I'm gonna throw this one. I'm gonna throw this one on my fishing. It's kind of weighty though. Kind of weighty for my BFS. We'll see. Maybe I'll throw the Karashi. Maybe I'll do that one. No, I needed an underspin. Anyway, thanks for watching. Got any questions? Post. I don't know. Maybe I'll give this away. I don't think I'm ever going to use this. I don't know how to do a giveaway. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll give you this, maybe. Anybody watches this? All right. Thanks, dorks. See you next time. Go catch some fish.